Good morning, children. Already I gave you introduction about the coordinate geometry. So we will be starting exercise number 3.1. First question: how will you describe the position of the lamp on your study table to another person? Supposing this is your study table. Lamp is lying on the top. Okay, we have to describe the position of this lamp. Okay, now divide it into four parts by drawing vertical axis and horizontal axis. Now you have to describe the position of this lamp to your friend. So what will you say on the above the horizontal line and on the right side of the vertical axis lamp is there. Okay, now divide the table into four parts by drawing vertical and horizontal axis. Now the lamp is on above horizontal line and right side of the vertical axis. Like that you can explain. Second problem is too lengthy. I will just read out. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center. These two roads run in northwest direction. All other streets of the street run parallel to each other and they are 200 meters apart. So in general I will explain. See, this is the street plan. One road is there north-south direction in north-south direction, and second is the west-east direction. In north-south direction, 5 streets are there: street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4 and street 5. And east-west direction, they are parallel: street 1, street 2, street 3, street 4, street 5. So in east-west direction, all the streets are parallel to each other, and in north-south direction, they are parallel to each other. We have to locate, first what we have to do, we have to locate, here it is given, north-south direction, if the second street running in the north-south direction and fifth street in the east-west direction. That means second one, this is the north-south direction. So how will you pick up? This is the second street and fifth one in the east-west direction. Okay, in the east-west direction, this is the street 5. Okay, this is the street 5. Okay, north-south direction, second one, so we will be coming here, north-south direction, this direction, second one, and east-west direction, fifth. So this is the location of second street, north-south direction, and fifth one in east-west direction. Because this street represents the fifth one and this street represents the second in north-south direction. Second one, how many streets can be referred to 4 and 3? So 4, north direction 4 and east-west direction 3. This is the third one. Okay, 4 and 3. So how many? Only one unique point is there, 4 and 3. This is 4, street number 4 in north-south direction, and street number 3. So this is 3. Only one point can be represented. You will not get how many points are means. Only one unique point will be there, which will be fourth lane in north-south direction and third lane in east-west direction. Okay. In the same way, second is asked, how many cross streets can be referred to as 3 and 4? North-south direction 3. This is 3. Okay. North-south direction, first, second, third line, and east-west direction, this is the fourth line. So we will be having here this point 3 and 4. So only unique points are there, only single point will be there representing this. Okay, thank you. I will send the problem solved in your notebook.